We have the largest portfolio and stock of genuine replacement OEM hot tub pillows in Europe. Spa brands such as Sundance, Dimension One, Wellis, Jacuzzi, Vita, Master and Hotspring Spas to name but a few. If you are having problems identifying, then simply send us the pillow width and the distance between the center to the center of the pins on the back, and we can take a look for you. Headrests can react badly when you have more than 3 ppm of free chlorine level in your spa, so we do recommend removal when shocking or over-chlorinating. Spa pillows should be rinsed periodically to remove chemical residue. This also aids longevity as it slows down the deterioration of the pillows. In fact, if you are going to not use the spa for a while, we recommend removing the pillows, rinse them and store them until you're ready to use the hot tub again. We are pool and spa center and have led the hot tub and pool market since 2003.